Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to the dance royalties. Maraming salamat po. Palapakan po natin sila. Alright, pwede na kayo mag-jacket. Baka magulman na kayo. Usap-usap lang kayo. Inom lang tubig. Isang pagkakataon, kapag ito ginagawa ko. Pwede naman akong kumanta na. Pasayo-sayo pa. Anyway, before we move forward to the rest of the show, I really want to thank all of you for coming tonight. So sobrang pagod ko, tapos na natin to. But I want to mention these people also. Being Ice Live is brought to you by Firelight Entertainment. And of course, produced by Firelight Live. Our venue partner, Newport Performing Arts Theater. Ticketing partner, Ticket World. Ang paborito ng lahat, ang aming platinum sponsor, Katinko. Ang gold sponsor, JB Music. Silver sponsor, HD Studio. Bronze sponsors, McDonald's, Belmont Hotel Manila. Our official media partners, Philippine Concerts, oneinmanila.com. And of course, my thanks to Asia's Lashes, Chef Roast, Village People Magazine. Maraming salamat po sa ASAP, ABS-CBN, Eat Bulaga. Maraming salamat sa napakatagal na pagmamahal na binigay niyo sa akin. The Creamery Catering, maraming salamat po. And I want to thank